Uniform Civil Code (UCC) is defined in our Constitution under Article 44 of Directive Principles of State Policy. It states that it is the duty of the state to secure for the citizens a uniform civil code throughout the territory of India. In other words, we can say that it means one country, one rule. In last year, we have already studied UCC in detail. Now, it is the common set of governing rules for all citizens of India, which refer to replace the personal laws based on religious scriptures and customs. These laws are famous from public law and cover marriage, divorce, inheritance, adoption, and maintenance. Now, what is the aim? The legal goals of UCC focus on the hardship suffered by women in a legal order, the discrimination against them, and to serve them with gender justice. Important cases related to UCC: Shah case, Mohammad Ahmad Khan versus Shah Begum, mainly known as Shah case. In 1985, Shah moved to Supreme Court for seeking maintenance under Section 125 of the Code of Criminal Procedure when her husband divorced her after 40 years of marriage by giving her triple talaq and denied her regular maintenance. The Supreme Court gave verdict in favor of Shah Banu by applying Section 125 of Indian Criminal Code, and it applied to all citizens irrespective of religion. In short terms, we are going to see these all cases, but in detail about this case is given in the previous videos which I have shared in the last year. Then second is George Dingdea versus S.S. Chopra. The wife was a Christian belonging to a Khazi tribe of Meghalaya and an officer in the Indian Foreign Service (IFS). The husband was a Sikh. The parties were married under Indian Christian Marriage Act 1872. The wife filed a petition on the ground of nullity under the Indian Divorce Act 1869. She had filed a petition for declaration of nullity of marriage and judicial separation under the Indian Divorce Act 1869, as it stood on the ground of the impotence of her husband. So here, Justice Chinnappa Reddy observed the law relating to judicial separation, divorce and nullity of marriage is far from uniform. The time has come for complete reformation and a law of marriage and make a uniform law applicable to all people irrespective of religion or a caste.